All right, real quick, here's a video on how to enter reviews. So first you're going to go to your partner's account. I recommend you put your partner's account as a bookmark so it can be a favorite. So you don't want to be signed in to the one that says Digital Brandz. You want to actually sign into ProLive Design. Reason being is because the store is on a ProLive Design partner's account. The name of the store is called the Tay Way. So you click that, Tay, you log in. All right, and once we log into this store, I don't care which products you put it on, but make it, diversify it. So you want to go to online store, go to customize, and you want to go to select at the top where it says home page. Right here in this arrow home page, go to product pages. So when you select product pages, this changes to where it says Yappo. Select Yappo. The name of the person that's responding is called customer service. I already have the logo there. All you have to do is click the products and leave a review. So you would basically go to click here. You would select the product. If I want to leave a review here, I'll select that product. I'll give a random name, Jenny. All right. Subject line, I love it. All right. Something good. Hey, this piece is dope. Right. And then I can change the date if I want. Right. If I can do the date. So I always want to change the date. So I want to make it something current, recent. So maybe 10/3/2019. All right. So make about a good 18 of them 4 to 5 stars. So make 18 of them 4 to 5 stars, and then make 2 3 stars. And you want to make up something, but at the end result, make it sound good. Shipping was a little bit longer. I maybe should have got a bigger size, but I guess I didn't weigh myself. I didn't know it ran this size. Boom, boom, boom. So, or, um, you know, uh, it took me a little while to get the order, but at the end of the day, I loved it. So only make 2 of them have 3 stars, and 18 of them have 5 stars. And then you reply, thank you for your support. For your support. All right, save it. So you don't always have to hit save. You can literally just keep entering in products reviews. So you push the arrow, pull it up, so you add another review, select another product, right? Then you go in, Chris S. You always want to do first name, last initial, period. Got it quick. Shipping. I was expecting it to take longer since I ordered on a Saturday. So 10, 9, 19. All right, 4 stars. All right, now I get it 5. I'm doing my best. All right, so boom. So you still got 20 more of those things to enter. All right, thank you.